Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. Today, we're diving into some exciting news from Binance, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. So, let's get straight into it. Now, you might have heard about Binance, the platform that's been making waves in the crypto world. Well, they've recently extended their support to 4 new tokens: Pepe, JUP, ENA, and WIF. But what exactly does this mean for the crypto community? First up, let's talk about Pepe. No, we're not talking about the cartoon frog meme here. Pepe is actually a decentralized token that aims to revolutionize the world of digital art. With Binance's support, Pepe holders now have more accessibility and liquidity, which is great news for anyone involved in the digital art space. Next on the list is JUP. JUP is a utility token that powers the Jupiter blockchain, a decentralized ecosystem for data privacy and security. By extending support to JUP, Binance is not only increasing the token's visibility but also providing more opportunities for users to engage with the Jupiter ecosystem. Moving on, we have ENA. ENA is a token that's closely tied to the energy blockchain, a platform known for its focus on scalability and security. With Binance's backing, ENA holders can now enjoy enhanced trading options and liquidity, further strengthening the energy community. Last but not least, we have WIF. WIF, or Wrapped ENA Identity, is a token that represents identity on the ENA blockchain. By adding support for WIF, Binance is helping to bridge the gap between traditional identity systems and blockchain technology, paving the way for new possibilities in decentralized identity verification. Now, you might be wondering, why is Binance extending support to these tokens? Well, it's all about fostering innovation and driving adoption within the crypto space. Binance, as a leading cryptocurrency exchange, operates at the nexus of technological advancement and financial inclusion. The decision to embrace these tokens reflects Binance's commitment to being a catalyst for progress in the ever-evolving landscape of digital assets. In the dynamic world of cryptocurrency, where innovation knows no bounds, Binance recognizes the importance of staying agile and responsive to emerging trends. By actively seeking out promising projects like Pepe, JUP, ENA, and WIF, Binance demonstrates its dedication to nurturing the growth of the crypto ecosystem. Supporting these tokens goes beyond mere transactional utility. It's about enabling meaningful change and driving forward-thinking initiatives. Binance understands that blockchain technology holds immense potential to revolutionize various industries, from finance to art to data privacy. By providing a platform for these tokens to thrive, Binance empowers developers and entrepreneurs to bring their visions to life and contribute to the ongoing evolution of the decentralized economy. Binance's support for these tokens underscores its role as a champion of decentralization and user empowerment. In a world where centralized institutions often dominate, Binance stands as a beacon of decentralization, where individuals can transact freely and securely without the need for intermediaries. By expanding its offerings to include tokens like Pepe, JUP, ENA, and WIF, Binance is not only broadening its product range but also democratizing access to innovative blockchain solutions. Binance's endorsement of these tokens serves as a validation of their legitimacy and potential value within the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. In an environment characterized by rapid innovation and fierce competition, standing out amidst the crowd is no small feat. However, when a prominent player like Binance lends its support to a particular token, it sends a clear signal to the market regarding its credibility and viability. This stamp of approval from Binance not only validates the efforts of the token issuers but also instills confidence among investors and traders. Binance's endorsement brings tangible benefits beyond just validation. It can significantly enhance a token's liquidity and marketability, creating a virtuous cycle of growth and prosperity for both token issuers and investors alike. With increased liquidity comes greater accessibility and trading opportunities, attracting more participants to the ecosystem and fueling its expansion. This heightened level of activity not only benefits existing investors by providing better price discovery and execution but also attracts new investors who are drawn to the allure of a vibrant and liquid market. Binance's support can be instrumental in elevating a token's profile and expanding its reach to a global audience of traders and enthusiasts. Binance, being one of the largest and most influential cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, possesses a vast array of marketing channels and promotional resources at its disposal. Through strategic initiatives such as featured listings, social media campaigns, and dedicated educational content, Binance effectively amplifies the visibility of supported tokens, ensuring they receive the attention they deserve. By leveraging its extensive network and brand recognition, Binance shines a spotlight on the unique features and value propositions of these tokens, effectively showcasing what sets them apart in a crowded marketplace. Whether it's highlighting technological innovations, use case versatility, or community engagement initiatives. Binance's promotional efforts serve to educate and inform potential investors about the compelling opportunities presented by these tokens. This heightened exposure not only raises awareness but also stimulates demand and adoption, driving trading activity and liquidity for the supported tokens. As more traders and investors become acquainted with the token's value proposition and potential for growth, they are more likely to participate in the market, thereby increasing trading volumes and market depth. This influx of interest and liquidity not only benefits existing token holders by improving market dynamics but also attracts new participants eager to capitalize on emerging opportunities. That said, it's important to do your own research and exercise caution when investing in any cryptocurrency. While Binance's support can certainly boost a token's credibility and liquidity, it's ultimately up to you to make informed decisions based on your own financial goals and risk tolerance. And that wraps up today's video. Until next time.